favorite company, even if you're just 13. Yup, whether it's Apple, Nike, or Nvidia, regular people, even teenagers, can become part owners. How? Through something called the stock market, a place where money works for you. But wait, how can money work for you? Well, you have just landed in the right place. Here, we break down money, investing, and smart financial habits. So, let's start with the basics. The stock market is a huge place, like Amazon, but instead of products, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. And every time a trade happens, there's a buyer and a seller. Just like in Minecraft, let's say when you trade a diamond sword for a pickaxe. These buyers and sellers, in finance, we call them investors. Investors don't just buy anything, they buy shares. Tiny slices of big companies that are listed on the stock exchange. That could be the NYSE in New York or the NSC in India. Imagine this: you walk into a store, and instead of buying a product, you buy a tiny piece of the store itself. That's what the stock market lets you do. Let's let's say you buy one share of Nvidia. That's like owning a gel pen on the desk of their massive headquarters. And if Nvidia grows and earns more, your stock gets more valuable. For example, you buy Nvidia at $100 and a few weeks later it's worth $120. Your profit then will be $20. And that's called capital gain. But who decides these prices? Here's where psychology kicks in. When more people want to buy, the stock price usually goes up, and when more people are trying to sell, prices fall. Why is this? Because investors copy each other. If everyone's selling, others panic and sell too, even if nothing is wrong. This is called market psychology, and it's very powerful. Think of it like Pokemon cards or sneakers. The value depends on the hype around it, the news, or how badly people want it. So that's the magic of the stock market. You buy small pieces of companies, and if they do well, you earn money without working for them. That's what many people mean when they say make money work for you. If you like this video, hit subscribe, and in the next video I'll show you how people actually make money from stocks.